Hello guys. How are you today? Me, I'm so happy to come back to our channel as usual. Yes, for running. Yeah, running. But today we have some new information and it is good. Yes. Yes. Some of you are wishing if we can also add Kiswahili in our lessons. Yes, and there's no why to refuse. Let's do it. Yes. So it means that as now you are asking if it can be possible, let's add it in our lessons of let's add it in our lessons. So one day we shall use English, Kinyarwanda, and French, and the other day we shall use English, Kinyarwanda, and Kiswahili. Yes, I accept it, no problem. So you are welcome. This means that today let's use our Kiswahili, our new lesson, Kiswahili. Yes. So today we have the lesson of English, Kinyarwanda, and Kiswahili. So are you ready? Let's do it because we are able, and I love you so much. I can't refuse your wish. Thank you so much. So let's go. Let's now start. Lesson of today. Yes. English, Kinyarwanda, Kiswahili. English, Kinyarwanda, Kiswahili. So we have to start with greetings. Greetings. Yes. Greetings in English, indamukanyo, in Kinyarwanda, maana ya maamukizi au maamukizi kwa lugha ya Kiswahili. Kwa lugha ya Kiswahili. Thank you so much. Hello. 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 As you know, even in English you answer hello. Yes. Are you ready? Yes. In Kinyarwanda, bite. Yes, as you know, the answer is ni byiza. Ni byiza. Bite. Ni byiza. Yes. So let's go in Kiswahili. Kwa lugha ya Kiswahili tunasema hujambo. Hujambo. Here it is when you have one person. One person. Hujambo. Yes. Can you repeat? Hujambo. And the answer of that one person is sijambo. 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 Sijambo means it's okay. I'm fine. Yes. So let's see if it is now two or more people. Yes. There we said hamjambo. Hamjambo. Yes. Hamjambo. Yes. As you see, the answer is hatujambo. Hatujambo. Hamjambo. Hatujambo. Yes. There is now the answer from those two or more persons or more people. Is it clear? Thank you so much. Here we have also other greeting of Kiswahili. When we have a young person who is greeting the elder person. Yes? Yes. This is for only to show respect. Yes, to show respect. Yes. This is shikamo. Shikamo. Maybe is a child who is greeting his father or his or his mother. Yes, or his mother. Yes. There is starting and saying shikamo. For example, you can say shikamo mama. Shikamo baba. Yes. There, the answer from that one is marahaba. Yes, marahaba. You see, marahaba. Shikamo. And the answer is marahaba. Do you get what this is about? Thank you so much. Let's continue now. Number 2, we have how are you? As you know, we say how are you? Yes, and the answer is I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. So, in Kinyarwanda is amakuru yawe. Amakuru yawe. Yes, as you know, the answer is ni meza. Ni meza. Yes? Thank you. In Kiswahili tunasema habari yako. Habari yako. Yes? Habari yako. Yes, and the answer is nzuri sana. Nzuri. Nzuri sana. Asante. Asante. Yes? Do you get the point? Habari yako. Nzuri sana. Asante. Thank you so much. Yes. There, I hope it is very, very clear. So let's continue with the number 3. Yes? My name is Sam. My name is Sam. I'm glad to meet you. Yes? And the answer there, as you know in English, you say, my name is Linda. I'm glad to meet you too. I'm so glad or so happy to meet you too. Yes? In English. So, let's see now how we say in the Kinyarwanda. Nitwa Sam. Nitwa Sam. Or you can say, izina ryanjye ni Sam. Izina ryanjye ni Sam. Nitwa Sam. Nishimiye kukubona. Nishimiye kukubona. The answer is je nitwa Linda. Jewe nitwa Linda. Yes? Nanjye nishimiye kukubona. Nanjye nishimiye kukumenya. Are we together? Are we together? In Kiswahili tunasema tuko pamoja. Tuko pamoja. Yes? And the answer is ndio. Tuko pamoja. Ndio. Tuko pamoja. Let's see how now we can use it in Kiswahili. Yes? Jina langu ni Sam. Jina langu ni Sam. Yes? Nafurahi kukutana nao. Nafurahi kukutana nao. Or you can say nimefurahi sana kukutana nao. Kukutana nao. Jina langu ni Sam. Nimefurahi sana kukutana nao. Can you repeat? Jina langu ni Sam. Nafurahi kukutana nao. So the answer there is mimi ninaitwa Linda. Mimi ninaitwa Linda. Nafurahi kukutana nao. Mimi naitwa Linda. Mimi pia nafurahi kukutana nao. Mimi pia nafurahi kukutana nao. Yes? Pia means also. Means also. Mimi pia nafurahi kukutana nao. Are we together? Tuko pamoja? Sema ndio. Say yes. Tuko pamoja? Are we together? Tuko pamoja? Sema ndio. This means say yes. Thank you so much. So, today, let's end by here because I have to give you those short courses in order to try to understand it first and we can continue later. But before ending the lesson, let's now try to do some practice about the use of these greetings. It means that I need to greet you and you have to try to answer from what I have already told you. Okay? Thank you so much. Let's now start. Bite. Bite. Thank you. I hope the answer is ni byiza. Yes? Hujambo. Hujambo. Thank you so much. If you are now one or alone, you have to answer sijambo. Sijambo. Hujambo. Thank you so much. The answer is sijambo. Sijambo. Thank you. So, if you are now two or more people, so let me greet you. Hamjambo. Hamjambo. Thank you so much. The answer is hatujambo. Hatujambo. Yes. There you are now two or more people. And the answer is hatujambo. Yes? Hamjambo. Thank you so much. So let's now consider that you are now the young person and you are greeting the older person, the elder person, in order to respect him or her. Maybe is your mom or your dad. Yes? Let's greet him or her. Shikamo. Yes. Here we are considering now you are now a young person and you greet your dad or your mom. So let's greet him or her. Okay? Shikamo mama. Shikamo mama. Or shikamo baba. Yes? Or shikamo. There the answer is marahaba. Marahaba. You got the point? Thank you so much. Yeah. Marahaba. Marahaba. So, thank you so much. Let's continue now with our practice. Nitwa Samu. Nitwa Samu. Yes, the answer is Nanje nitwa Linda. Nanje nitwa Linda. You can replace Linda by your name. Yes? By using your name. Nitwa Samu. Yes? Or nitwa Linda. And you answer by your name there. Nanje nitwa Linda. Or Nanje nitwa Jay. Yes? So there you use your name. Nishimiye kukubona. Nishimiye kukubona. The answer is Nanje nishimiye kukubona. Yes? Do you get the meaning? Thank you. Let's now use Kiswahili. Jina langu ni Linda. Yes? Thank you. I hope you replace Linda and you said, Jina langu ni Sam. Yes? Yeah. Nafurahi sana kukutana nao. Are you together? Nafurahi sana kukutana nao. The answer? Na mimi pia nafurahi sana kukutana nao. This means me too, I'm very happy to meet you. Nafurahi sana kukutana nao. The answer? Na mimi pia nafurahi sana kukutana nao. Yes? Thank you so much. And thank you so much. In Kiswahili tunasema asante sana. Can you repeat? Asante sana. Thank you so much. So this is the end of our lesson of today, where we replace French by Kiswahili, and the next day we shall use now English, Kinyarwanda, and French, and vice versa. Yes, we shall to use French today, and other day we use Kiswahili, as you were asking if it can be possible, because you need to know all these languages, and I'm there to help you. Thank you so much. I love you.
Israeli tinyiri ngoma yakaza kudukura mu makuba, yakaza kutwikundira, umwanzi wacu aba yaratumize ku nguri. Alleluia, 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 alleluia. Ari kurohama mu ruzi n'ivumbi katuvika, umwanzi yari kutwivugana, tukazimira bakavuga batesakara kajya he. Alleluia, 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 alleluia. Umutego wabo warashibutse tukiri ubwoba, Nyagasani niwe watubutse, twasaga n'igisiga kivuye mw'itegero ry'abakanasi. Alleluia, 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 alleluia. Hasingizwe nyir'ingoma waturinze amenyo y'abasetsi, nihasingize umwami utugize, nzajya musingiza iteka ntugahoraho. Alleluia, 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 alleluia.
Thank you so much. As usual, after teaching, at the end of our lesson, we sing. Yes? Today we used the song of Rugamba Sipiriyani, which is called Israeli iti nyir'ingoma yataza kudukura mu makuba. Yes. When we try to translate this title of this song, it is like, what if when the Lord didn't save us? What if when the Lord didn't save us? Yes. Do you get the point? There, Rugamba Sipiriyani showed the mercy of the Lord in saving his people there. Today, the people is not those one of the last time. It is us. Yes. Today also you can sing this song, because you can reach in the situation which is so difficult, for example, and you see the mercy of the Lord. In that case, you go there and you sing that song. It's very, very beautiful. So it is very, very interesting. It is very, very helpful. It is very, very. It is the song which is help you. It is help you when you are in difficult moment, but you overcome in that difficult moment. So let's now go to Google and you search this song and you listen it again. You listen to it again, and you shall see, you will see how the Lord is very merciful. Yes, he saved us. He saved us. Save us. Many times he saves us in difficult moments. Yes, thank you so much. I think this clear there. Let's now enjoy the song. Thank you so much.